Welcome to World Best CR. If you love this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Best CR for more incredible automotive content. The ultimate destination for exotic and extreme automobiles. Today, we bring you something out of this world, the Karlmann King. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling fortress, a hyper-luxury tank designed for those who want to rule the road. Point 1. Look at the Karlmann King, and you know it's not an ordinary SUV. This beast looks like it came straight out of a futuristic action movie. With its bold, angular lines, a stealth bomber-like body, and a bulletproof option, this SUV is built to dominate. Weighing a staggering 6 tons, this machine is crafted with reinforced carbon fiber and steel, making it one of the heaviest and most secure SUVs in the world. The matte black finish gives it a truly menacing appearance, and with massive custom-built wheels, the Karlmann King has an unstoppable presence. Under the hood, the Karlmann King packs a 6.8-liter V10 engine, producing 400 horsepower. While it's not the fastest SUV, it's all about power and stability. It's built to handle any terrain, from city roads to off-road battlegrounds. With all-wheel drive, this SUV ensures a smooth yet commanding ride wherever you go. But let's be honest, this car isn't made for speed, it's made for luxury, security, and status. Step inside, and you enter a private jet on wheels. The interior of the Karlmann King is pure luxury and extravagance. With gold-plated accents, diamond-stitched leather seats, and a high-tech multimedia system, this SUV is designed for royalty. It comes equipped with a 4K entertainment system, mood lighting, a mini fridge, and even a coffee maker. Passengers can enjoy first-class reclining seats with built-in massage functions. Want more? It also has an optional satellite TV and PlayStation integration, making it the ultimate luxury cocoon on wheels. The Karlmann King is not just about luxury, it's about protection. With an optional bulletproof armor, this SUV turns into an unstoppable fortress, perfect for VIPs, billionaires, and world leaders. And here's the catch, only 10 units of the Karlmann King exist in the world, making it one of the most exclusive SUVs ever made. Each unit is custom-built to the buyer's specifications, ensuring a unique masterpiece for every owner. Now, let's talk about the staggering price. The Karlmann King starts at $2 million, and with customization, it can go up to $4 million. That makes it one of the most expensive SUVs on the planet. The Karlmann King is not just an SUV, it's a statement of power, luxury, and exclusivity. It's built for those who demand the best of the best, those who want to travel in unmatched style and security.